get your morning coffees on your porch,
sunset wines overlooking 8 acres of serenity.
your horses grazing and your kids playing.
I'm Georgie Smith,
And I'm Riley Evans.
and this is the lifestyle you promised yourself.
Like I see you, see you like I see you, see you like I see you. Cause then you would know better than to wish that you were better. Exactly how you are is enough. No more second guessing when I'm giving you my best, and you know what it means to be loved. I wish you could see you like I see you.